Let's try it. Super delicious. The ingredients are mascarpone cheese, vanilla syrup, heavy whipping cream, coffee, ladyfingers, water, and milk. First, we're going to start with the tiramisu cream. I'm going to be making it for two, me and my dear wife. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese, 8 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup. And you're going to need a frother so you can mix it up. So let's get started. 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, so first I'm mixing it this way just to kind of break it up and make it easier for the frother. Next you want to froth it. I don't have much time today because I'm about to go record a podcast in 24 minutes, so I'm using instant coffee. And again, I'm making it for 2, so I'm going to use 1.5 cups of milk. I'm going to heat up the milk because I want it to be a hot drink. Next, put 1 teaspoon of your instant decaf coffee in your glass. 1/4 cup of water. That's hot. Okay, now I get a milk. 3/4 cup of milk. And this cream has gotten really thick. It's great. It's delicious. Next, you lightly dust the top with a little bit of cocoa powder. And last, add your ladyfinger. Let's try it. So far, just this. Just dipping the ladyfinger in the coffee is amazing. Super delicious. It's amazingly delicious and it's perfect for a winter's day. It's like you're drinking dessert. I got the idea for this by watching an iced version, but since it's the fall and it's starting to get cold, I wanted something hot, so I made up my own hot version. And trust me, if you try it, you're going to like it. I showed you guys last week my wife was working on these paintings. Well, she finally finished them and we put them on the wall. Check out this big buck sitting in the yard. If I don't talk too loud, you shouldn't hear me. Let me see if I can get closer. I wish I could zoom this in more. That's a big deer. He's just hanging out. He doesn't care, I think, that I'm here. Some of the deer would get up and leave, but I don't think he cares. Maybe because he's got those big antlers to protect himself. Up, now he's getting up. Oh well, have a good day, dear. This is a big buck. He's getting more comfortable hanging out in our backyard, and he's just lounging here next to the pool. A lot of times if you come to the window, the deer get scared and leave, but he doesn't care. Look at those antlers.
He must be old.
Yeah. Here's a better view of him. He sees me, I'm looking at him. We're just looking at each other through the door. Again, he doesn't care. He stood up. I don't know where he's going, or maybe he wants a drink of water. Where is he going? Yeah.
That's insane.
I think he does want a drink of water. See? It's too bad that they don't understand that there's chlorine in the water. Now he's going again, see? He's thirsty.
He looks skinny. Do you think he's too skinny?
No. I don't know if he's scared or what's going on.
He's looking around. Let's see, what is his destination? Final destination.
Maybe he knows I'm watching him through the window. Maybe he's very cautious. Somebody's doing yard work or something. Maybe he hears that noise.
Maybe I should give him some water. Huh?
And then you're training them to come back. See, now he's sitting down there.
So beautiful. His antlers.